Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cudoo on your device, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Cudoo on your device, first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open the web browser on your device. In the address bar, type cudoo.com and press enter. Once the Cudoo homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed to the sign up page. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and sign in. If you are new to Cudoo, fill out the registration form with your details. After completing the registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Cudoo homepage. Now, locate the download section on the website. Select the version that corresponds to your device, whether it's for Windows, Mac, or mobile. Click the download link to start downloading the installation file. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Cudoo on your device. Select your preferred installation settings as prompted. Wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, open the Cudoo application. Log in with your account credentials to access the platform. You are now ready to explore Cudoo and start learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.